ल अब हाम्रो लास्ट स्पट चाहिँ यहाँनिर हो हर्सिस चकलेटहरू बनाउने ठाउँमा हो त्यही भएर आइपुगेको छ अब भित्र इन्ट्रीको लागि चाहिँ हामी पस्यौँ है त यहाँ चाहिँ इन्ट्री फी लाग्दैन हो यहाँ अब हामी पस्ने हो हर्सिस ल हेर्नुहोस् ल नानी अब खेल्दैन बोक अब खेल्दैन है अब ला 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 फोटो खिचिदिनु अरे है त्यसलाई अनि अब हर्सी चक्लेट हेर्नु चाहिँ हेर्नु गाडीमा गएको
Sign is not lost now.
गाडीमा जानुपर्ने अरे हेर्नु नि त
Most of the time,
हिँड्दा चढ्नुपर्ने
you survive. You survive. Oh, you hear it? You see? Me and Sign are gonna sit in the front, okay?
लड्नु खोज्दो रहेछ नि पहिले टेक्दा त झन् लडियो नि हौ यस्तो गाडीमा चढेर जानुपर्ने पछाडि आउँदैछ यहाँ अब हामीलाई टुर गराउँछ
Hey everyone, welcome aboard the Hershey's Chocolate Factory Tour. For your safety, please remain seated with your hands and feet inside the vehicle at all times. We're on our way to the Hershey Chocolate Factory. Your guide will meet you at the entrance. See you inside.
इन्साइड त उयो गरेर बस्नु भनेको छैन गर्नु यहाँ हेर्नु यहाँ बिरालो हल्लिरहेको छ है बिरालो हल्लियो क्या हल्लिरहेको हेलो डेरी झिम्का थियो त
Hi, my name is Alex. I'm the quality supervisor here at the Hershey Chocolate Factory. I was asked to be your guide today, and I can't wait to show you around. Everyone ready? Let's go. Shipped to us from tropical regions around the world. We send the cocoa beans through large cleaning machines that screen and thoroughly remove unwanted parts like pulp and bits of cacao pod. Our cocoa experts carefully select, sort, and combine beans from various countries in precise amounts to achieve that unique and consistent Hershey's flavor.
कति लाउने भनेर यहाँ सबै लेखिदिएको रहेछ हो यहाँ कफी हो भित्रमै कफीहरू हो कोको it's warm.
Get me out of here.
It's warm right now.
Get me out.
Breaking.
It's too hot. Get me out.
Kehi छैन अब हाफै फोटो देखिहाल्नु पर्यो
Cocoa nibs have been ground down like this for thousands of years. Milling machines generate lots of heat through intense pressure and friction. The grinding turns cocoa nibs into the smooth, dark liquid used to make milk and dark chocolate.
Our pressing machines squeeze the unsweetened chocolate into discs of cocoa powder, known as Hershey's cocoa. Pressing also produces cocoa butter, which we'll use later on in the process. Every day, shining tanker trucks pick up milk from local farms and line up outside our factory for delivery. Hershey is one of the only companies in the world that uses fresh milk to make milk chocolate. Fresh milk is part of what gives Hershey's milk chocolate its delicious, distinctive taste. Part of my job is to make sure all of that milk meets our high quality standards. Once it passes testing, we mix sugar into the milk using large batching tanks. We pasteurize and condense the sweetened milk and then grind in the perfect amount of unsweetened chocolate. This is where the art of chocolate making all comes together. As the mixture cooks, it begins to form delicious little pieces that we call chocolate crumbs.
Blending blending.
We dry the chocolate crumb to a coarse powder. Then we mix in the cocoa butter we pressed out earlier and add a dash of vanilla. This brings out the chocolate's rich taste and creamy texture, and of course that wonderful smell. We feed the chocolate crumb through steel rollers that grind and refine the chocolate until it reaches a smooth, uniform consistency. Here's our friend Kiss to explain the next step in the process.
Rich flavor and color. Heavy rollers smooth out the refined crumb until it reaches the silky liquid texture of milk chocolate. Goodbye for now.
After conching, we temper the milk chocolate, heating and cooling it to just the right texture and consistency. During tempering, we can mix in other ingredients such as roasted California almonds. Next, we pour the milk chocolate into molds and send them on a bumpy conveyor belt. Then we send them packing cooling tunnels that solidify the chocolate.
Chocolate roll packing.
This is my favorite.
All of that fresh, delicious Hershey's chocolate goodness is
Finally, it is ready. Chocolate is ready. Chocolate is ready. मलाई पिसेस पनि बन्छ होइन यहाँनिर उयो चक्लेट सस ए पिसेस यहाँनिर आइरहेछ These are the pieces. Large pieces. यसरी बनाउँदो रहेछ पिसेसहरू
It looks like our packages are ready to go, and I better get going too. It's been a privilege being your guide today. Remember that we're asking
So
be sure to share that goodness with the ones you love. Thank you, everyone. Bye.
Bye. Shipping. अब यो सबै बनिसकेर अब सिपिङमा गयो सिपिङ हर्सी चक्लेटहरू त यसरी बनाउँदो रहेछ
Smile for your picture. You have to take a picture for you.
कता ठुलो रहेछ होइन त
Or you can draw.
खुट्टा यसो गरेको मैले फोटो निकाल्छ होला है बाई भनेर त लास्ट हाम्रो त फोटो खिचिदियो होला हो गाइस चकलेट सबै चकलेट सिपिङ भएर आइहाल्यो नि यता है प्याकिङ हुन थाल्यो चकलेट यसरी प्याकिङ हुँदो रहेछ चकलेट फ्याक्ट्री पनि घुमियो आज मेरो धोको थियो यहाँनिर चाहिँ चकलेट फ्याक्ट्री घुम्ने आज चाहिँ घुम्यो है चकलेट कसरी बनाउँछ रेसेस पिसेस होइन हर्सी
Well, now you know the hard work, pride, and joy that goes into making every piece of Hershey's goodness.
Come visit us again soon.
Please remain seated until the door opens and watch your step onto the moving platform. And enjoy the rest of your day here at Hershey's Chocolate World. So long, everyone.
Thanks for coming.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye. They said bye.
Welcome back, everybody. The exit is right at the steps. We hope you have a wonderful day.
Awesome.
Look at me.
See?
If you guys want to get it, I can go over all the options we have. If not, I totally get that too.
Oh, yeah, so you'll go to apps?
Yeah, so I can run through everything. So we have just our normal 6x8 for $25. We also have 2 for $28 magnets along with the $35.
Okay. Can I get a magnet like a
ल त गाइस लास्टमा त चक्लेट पनि पो दियो त हौ यहाँ हेर्नु नि चक्लेट हर्सिस सबैलाई दियो एउटा एउटा नै अब हाम्रो चाहिँ फोटो पनि आएको छ है त्यहाँनिर होइन त्यहाँनिर घुमिसकेपछि फोटो खिच्दो रहेछ फोटो आएको छ त्यो फोटो पिकअप गर्छौँ हामी यहाँ तल अब ल अब हामीले माथि फ्याक्ट्रीमा हेरेको सबै चक्लेटहरू चाहिँ here are all okay यहाँ छ सबै यहाँ छ यो यहाँ छ हजुर फ्रीमा चक्लेट खानु दिएको फ्रीमा फोटो पिकअप अब दियो हामीले हेरेको चक्लेटहरू सबै प्याक भएर यहाँ आइसकेको छ यहाँ हाम्रो जस्ट किडिङ है त्यहाँनिर त्यसरी आउँदो रहेछ भनेर चाहिँ देखाएको तर रियलिटी हो त्यसरी हो आउने यहाँ चाहिँ यो हर्सिसको फ्याक्ट्री चाहिँ एकदम ठुलो छ क्या ठुलो एकदम महँगो पनि हो यो चक्लेट चाहिँ यहाँ चाहिँ सबै कफीबाट बनेको हुन्छ होइन सबै कफीबाट बनेको हुन्छ त्यही भएर यहाँनिर फोटो पिकअप गर्नु आएको हामी यहाँनिर अघि हाम्रो खिचेको फोटो ल अब चाहिँ हामी फोटो पनि पिकअप गरिसक्यौँ होइन फोटो पिकअप गरिसकेर चाहिँ बाहिर एकदम फायर वर्क भइरहेछ क्या अनि त्यही भएर फायर वर्कको लागि छ हतार जाँदैछ कसले स्प्लिट गरेछ ओके हतार जाँदैछौँ हामी अब यो हर्सिस क्यान्डीहरू त के किन्नु बजारतिर पनि पाइहाल्छ होइन त्यही हो यो त हामीले बजारमा जति पाइहाल्छ जस्ट यहाँ चाहिँ फ्याक्ट्रीमा कसरी बन्छ भनेर चाहिँ हेर्नु चाहिँ मलाई धेरै इच्छा लागेको थियो त्यही इच्छा पनि आज जुलाई 4थले पुरा गरिदियो You want to make a chocolate? Let's go home and make the chocolate, okay? Let's go home and make the chocolate, okay?
No, you can't.
Let's go. Hi. Outside. Let's go. Firework outside. Let's go, guys. Oh, come on. There's a firework. Woo! See? Woo! Adi.
Yeah?
Bubbles. Where's Papa going? July 4th. Happy July 4th. See? Yeah. ल साथी यस्तै हो जुलाई 4th यहाँ यस्तो मजाले मनाउँछ है वाउ ओ माई गड कता साउन्ड आउँछ हौ Oh my God! Happy July 4th. ल अब यो चाहिँ कन्टिन्यू भइरहन्छ होइन यति भन्दै अब यो आजको भिडियोलाई चाहिँ यही अन्त्य गर्न चाहन्छु साथीहरू किनभने इट हेज लङ हुन जान्छ त्यही भएर यसलाई म त्यति धेरै लङ बनाउन चाहन्न ल ह्याभ अ गुड नाइट
50 to your right of where we are right now when we get up to the stop. 25 to 50 is the park.
हामी चाहिँ अब चाहिँ घर गएको गाडीमा कस्तो फ्रेस भएर कति धेरै गाडीमा बाई बाई हर्सी पार्क यो झिलिमिलीहरू
Then the car would be destroyed. No, that's
Alright, we will be stopped here in just a minute. As you get off the train.
The next day.
We are in Mom's hotel. Mom's hotel ma. तराजी पनि रहेछ ढक्कल हल्लुडहरू पनि छ हल्लुडहरू पनि सजाएको हलो जुवा मलो घन्टी ताम्लो यता चर्था पनि रहेछ सो गाइस हामी चाहिँ आज यो पानामाको जङ्गलबाट अमेरिका छिरेको 4 दिन भइसक्यो जङ्गलको जङ्गलै छौँ हेर्नुहोस् घनघोर जङ्गलभित्र ए हामीसँग एउटा सहयात्री छ यहाँनिर सानो मान्छे
If you were here for 5 years, you would be dead because you can't survive 3 days without water.
नो देयर इज वाटर त्यहाँ हेर त उ
You have to filter it.
यो पानामाको जङ्गलको
You have
एकदम
to filter
भित्र
it.
कोरमा छौँ हामी हो त्यही भएर जाँदैछौँ मृगहरू पनि हिँड्छ क्या यहाँ त किनकि यहाँ उयो छ क्या खुट्टामा रोए रोए खेदा नो यो दुलोमा पस्नु हुँदैन ऱ्याबिट हाई ऱ्याबिट पस्छ यहाँभित्र यसलाई साह्रो पर्यो You good? No. Good रहेछ